In Osaka, a Michelin-starred restaurant glows under lantern light. An 18-year-old apprentice watches, mesmerized, as a master fugu chef performs precise knife work. The deadly fugu, or pufferfish, contains tetrodotoxin, 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. Only licensed chefs can serve it in Japan, following strict regulations since the 1950s. The apprentice's journey begins here, where one mistake can be fatal. Day 1 of training. The apprentice peels potatoes for months, mastering knife control. This grueling ritual, common in Japanese culinary apprenticeships, builds muscle memory and patience. The chef observes silently, demanding perfection. Statistics show only 30% of aspiring fugu chefs complete this phase. Blisters and frustration are constant. But the foundation for handling lethal toxins is laid here. By year 2, the apprentice studies fugu biology under a marine biologist. They memorize the 24 species of pufferfish in Japan, focusing on the toxic liver, ovaries, and skin. A single misstep in removing these organs can release enough toxin to kill 30 adults. The apprentice practices dissection on non-poisonous fish, labeling each organ with surgical precision. Knowledge is their first shield against disaster. Year 3 introduces silicone fugu replicas. The apprentice must slice them flawlessly under a timer. Mimicking the 20-step process required for real fugu, the chef times each cut. 0.5 mm too deep risks toxin leakage. Only 1 in 100 trainees achieve the required speed and accuracy. Sweat drips as the apprentice's knife grazes a fake toxin sac, a reminder of the stakes. In year 5, the apprentice handles their first real fugu and nicks a toxin sac. The kitchen freezes. Even a microgram of tetrodotoxin can paralyze and kill within hours. The chef swiftly intervenes, disposing of the contaminated fish and sterilizing the area. The apprentice is demoted to peeling potatoes for 3 months, a humbling reminder of their mortal responsibility. By year 6, the apprentice learns ikejimi, a humane killing method that preserves flavor, and the art of plating fugu sashimi. Each translucent slice must resemble a chrysanthemum petal, a symbol of death in Japanese culture. The irony isn't lost on the apprentice. Their knife now creates beauty from lethality. A visiting food critic's praise hints at their growing mastery. Year 8. The apprentice serves their fugu dish to the chef. In Japan, this ritual is the ultimate test. The chef risks their life to evaluate the trainee's skill. A 2019 study found 0 licensed chef fatalities in 50 years, proving the system's rigor. The chef chews slowly, then smiles. The apprentice exhales. They're now trusted to cook for customers. At year 9, the apprentice serves their first paying guest, a nervous salaryman who knows the risks. Japan's fugu licensing exam has a 70% pass rate, but public trust is harder won. The guest's initial hesitation melts into delight as he tastes the delicate, toxin-free flesh. The chef gifts the apprentice a personalized Yanagiba knife, marking their transition from student to artisan. The final hurdle, a 2-day exam testing knife skills, toxin removal, and written knowledge. Examinees must fillet a live fugu in under 20 minutes, with invigilators grading every stroke. Since 1958, only 35,000 licenses have been issued nationwide. The apprentice's hands, now scarred and steady, produce a perfect fillet, their decade of sacrifice crystallized in one slice. Now a licensed chef, the former apprentice stands where their mentor once did. A new 18-year-old watches, wide-eyed, as they demonstrate the same knife skills learned over a decade. Japan's fugu tradition endures because of this unbroken chain of trust, where life, death, and artistry intersect on a cutting board. The lanterns glow just as brightly as they did 10 years ago.